Guys, big news. I'm actually working on a car today. Hello, welcome to Not Garage, guys. I've been doing a lot of small engine, mower, chainsaw stuff, but today we're working on Rescue, the Jeep Wrangler Sport JK Unlimited. Did I get all those? Jeep Wrangler JK Sport Unlimited. The Jeep. It's got the V6, 3.6 liter, does like 285 horse. Gonna see if we can bump that up a little bit today. But before we get into that upgrade, I'm just gonna show you, if you're a beginner like me, some of like the very first easy mods that I would recommend. All right, first up, these Nerf steps, rock sliders, call them what you want. Actually, tell me what they're called and I'll start calling them that. Anyway, they're really easy. They bolt right up. That's not my style. Took me like a week and some cutting. That's because I screwed them up. Had some bolt breakage issues. They're really easy. They improve the look really quickly. Are they kind of stupid without a lift? Yes, but that's not a problem because we're gonna lift this thing. Not today. We're not lifting it today, but soon. Next up, these WeatherTech mats. They're worth it. I got them passenger, driver, front, back, trunk, everything. They're a little pricey, but they're super easy to clean, and I just like them. I just like them. I love those mats. Sorry, yeah, last up, lighting. So I did LEDs, haven't done the fog lights, I'm gonna do those. Let me just show you, and then I'm gonna show you at night, later. Well, it'll be quick for you, but later for me, at night, later. So those are daytime running lights. I'm gonna show you the headlights. I accidentally turned them off. We're back. All right, so this is headlights and brights. Yep, I'm gonna do this one. Lighting. Okie dokie. So I also did the tail lights. They're off, aren't they? All right. So I also did the tail lights here with the LEDs and also the smoked out lenses. Yep. I'll show you it at night again. I'll show you it at night. Yeah, so if you're a beginner, all those things, they probably take under an hour each. If you don't screw them up like me, they're all like plug and play and bolt on, and it can really change the look of that Jeep. I mean, you see how good my Jeep's looking. Oh, and one bonus one, I forgot. Did the little trail antenna there. I'm not gonna lie, that was mostly because of the car wash, because it was whipping my regular one around. All right, let's get to today's upgrade. Like I said, this little lady's name is Rescue. She is one of only 2 ladies in the fleet. You'll meet the rest of the fleet later. You can see some of them around. But today she's gonna get a cold air intake. And keep in mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. Remember that. But cold air intake basically can get a little more airflow in to your engine, to your throttle body. Can get a little cooler air in. It gets you a little bit of horsepower, a little bit of throttle response, and then like a little bit of fuel economy. That's actually how I convinced my wife to do this upgrade, because technically Rescue is hers, but I said, hey, gas prices are high. We need that MPG boost. All right, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna get this beautiful V6 engine cover out the way. Let that 3.6 liter breathe. This is the factory air box and intake system going into the throttle body. So I just need to take this off. Now there is an air sensor plugged in down here. I don't know how well you can see, but it's down here right between the alternator and then the hose going to the throttle body. There's a little red tab and you can just unplug that. Try not to break it. Then there's this coolant hose running here. Just gonna pop that off and then unbolt these. And then there's the hose clamp that connects it to the throttle body. I think that's it. We're gonna find out. Just remember, I don't know what I'm doing. It's not instructional. You're just kind of along for the ride with me. I always forget. Gotta glove up. Gloving up, baby. Uh-oh. And you can use hand tools, but I'm using my impact to get some of this off because it's, well, it can make a big impact on how quick this goes. But this is also how I break stuff, so just be careful. So the hose clamp is just a flathead, and you don't have to take it all the way off. Just loosen it enough to pop that off right there. And then these bolts here, and I think I'm good. I'm thinking these are 10 millimeter. Let's see. Look at this. This set starts at 11. My other set, the 10 millimeter, is missing. All right, we're wrenching it, baby. Using a wrench like our forefathers. Okay, I think I was tightening it before. I think we're good to go. Oh no, okay, caught it. Holy cow. Don't drop a bolt into the engine bay. It's like the worst fun. No, what? No, it's the worst, I'm trying to say. It's not fun. Come on, baby. All right, then put these somewhere safe. You'll need them again. Ha! Just kidding. I actually just threw them into the grass. Hold on. That was not worth it. Okay, but I think this is just gonna lift out now. Oh, I forgot. There's one more thing. This PCV breather tube on the side of the air box. I think this just pulls out. Ah, there you go. PCV. I don't know what that does. Something about gas escaping. Yo, heyo. There we go. The gloves are coming off. I did forget, you kind of have to build this heat shield box first. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, how do you think this fits? I think it fits like that. Zip ties. Don't need those where we're going. So yeah, looks like we got 6 bolts, 6 washers, and 6 nuts, and some other things. Yeah, so I just thread these bolts through on the outside, nuts and washers on the inside. Which way is tight? That's what I've learned so far. Don't be scared to rotate the box. Look at that. Shoot. Boom, what's up? Look at that thing. All right, now we're gonna install, as far as I know. And I'm back, because I keep forgetting to do stuff. Okay, and there's also a seal for this, which may be too long. Oh, it's definitely too long. Look at this. Whoop. Oh, woo! Cut it right there. Come on, baby. Scissors were a bad idea. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Hey, man. Why can't I cut this? All right. The seals, and then actually the most important thing that I forgot. I need a bigger table. Okay. Oh. Nah. I gotta pull this temp sensor out without breaking it. Okay. I think there's a little tab here that you have to lift up. If I'm right, you lift this tab and then rotate it. Oh, baby. Look at that. So this is where the sensor goes, I think. There's a lot of extra pieces here. I don't know what they are. But I'm thinking this rubber grommet goes in here. Don't underestimate the grommet install, guys. Grommets. You know, can't live with them, can't live without them. Grommets, am I right? I think I'm losing it out here in the heat. All right, and I think you can just kind of jam, well, not jam, but gently wiggle the sensor in here with the tab again facing out towards that intake. Maybe twist. Don't know if I'm making any progress. How far in does this go? I'm assuming that green seal needs to be down in the grommet. I'm not gonna make you watch because this could take me hours. Okay, I do have to do one more thing over at the table, but first there's 2 grommets down here where the old air cleaner used to sit. Gotta pull those out. 1, 2, gonna reuse those. You also need to take, there's a bolt right here on the fan shroud. So it's right below the coolant thingy. I don't know. So I have that socket set, and so far I've been missing a 10 and an 8mm, which are the only 2 that I've needed. Yes. Oh. All right, now I think I'm on my last table assignment. I don't know what this is. Okay, where did I put those grommets? Got them. Sick of this, being at the table. Desk job. I think this is the last thing I do over here though. Okay, so I think I have to install the grommets down here. So, I think I need a bolt and a washer, spacer, grommet, big washer, and a nut. That doesn't seem like it's gonna work. Because that washer is bigger than the grommet. Oh! Alright. I have to undo the instructions for the very first time. I don't know what I expected, but that's not helpful. Alright. I'm done at that table, I hope. So I think now, I think this could go, okay, so yeah, I line up the 2 grommets where they came out, and then that fan shroud bolt. This is gonna make the little heat shield box. Doesn't seem right. That seal doesn't look like it's in the right place. Okay, update. Looks like I put this seal on the wrong spot. So I'm gonna push those grommets in. I think those are good. Then I'm gonna re-bolt in this. Oh, I just stopped talking in the middle of my sentence, but I'm gonna bolt this in where that fan shroud, where I pulled that fan shroud bolt out. Yes, we're in. Now, I'm gonna reapply this seal where it actually goes, which I guess is right here. Come on, corner. All right, I think that's what we get. Okay, I'm pretty much in not knowing what I'm doing territory, but I think there's a bushing that goes down here, and then a nut and a washer inside the heat shield. I'm just gonna hand tighten that, and then go from there. I think I now install my intake tube, which is that one other difference in the factory one is a straight pipe, which is a little more efficient for airflow. I think the intake tube goes like this. So actually, go ahead and put my 2 clamps on there, and this rubber coupler, I guess it would be. This is what's gonna connect to the throttle body, and then I get it now. This tab right here goes down on that bushing that I just installed. Now I'm just gonna try to get this rubber end over the throttle body. Really didn't think this would be that hard. Come on, baby. Okay, off camera I got this on. I actually slid the rubber coupler onto the throttle body first and then onto the intake pipe, and that actually worked a lot better. Now there is the other side of that flange down under the vehicle. It's going to be impossible to show you, but you just put a flat washer and a nut down there. Actually, that was the wrong flat washer. Put a flat washer and a nut down there. All right, I think I'm going to get a 13mm socket to hold it down there, and then just tighten it up a bit. Oh baby, now the satisfying part. So you can make sure to get your clamp over the intake pipe, and then we can get, actually, I'm gonna put my clamp on the filter side. Woo, that is satisfying. Okay, and then we'll hold it into place by tightening this clamp. And make sure to leave that screw in a convenient place if you ever have to take this off, which you probably will, to clean. That's not working at all. There you go. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, then these clamps here on the throttle body and the coupler. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Okay, what now? Oh yeah. Okay, I almost forgot a couple important things. This PCV valve has to go on. Oh yeah, and I probably need to put a clamp on it. My clamp game today is just tough. Oh yeah, let's do it. That should do that. Oh yeah, then I think we just need clips for this coolant line. I think we're done. I don't know. All right, just tightening bolts. Wish I had 10mm socket. You know what? Subscribe, and I'll buy, if I get to 100, I'll buy myself a nice old full set of sockets that has a 10 and an 8mm. And that would be luxury. Yes. Oh. Actually, you know what? You gotta plug our temp sensor in. It's right down here. I mean, same place that we took it out. You gotta plug this bad boy in. Now, I think we're done. Oh. All right, now can fire this bad boy up. Actually, we got to put that beautiful engine cover on. Then I'm gonna fire it up. It's gonna sound like a big block V8. All right, I'm cruising with it now, and all I have to say is, oh, watch out for me at the drag strip, baby. That extra horsepower is kicking in. Plus, the fuel economy now, this might as well be a hybrid, you know? But as always, I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't take any of my advice. Good luck.